Plants have been used for medicine for years in every country, and we will be talking about 6 plants that have been used in history for one reason or another. Ginger. I'll be making ginger tea. First, you need to wash and peel the ginger root. Then cut into small slices. Ginger is a flowering plant that grows in China, Africa, the Caribbean, and other countries with warm climates. It was first used as a common folk treatment for stomach issues and nausea. Next, in a pan, put the sliced ginger and water in, and allow it to boil for 10 minutes. Ginger has been studied to help digestion, saliva flow, vomiting, and morning sickness. The root of ginger doesn't provide much vitamins, but it is full of anti-diroxins that help protect your cells from damage and disease. Strain your water, being careful because it's hot, and make sure your tea goes in your cup. A side effect of consuming too much ginger: anything more than 5 grams of ginger a day can result in heartburn, stomach irritation, and mouth irritation. It can also be unsafe if you have a bleeding disorder. Licorice. Licorice is a plant that is used commonly and throughout history. Recorded in one of the oldest medical texts, it lists licorice as a top-tier drug, not only to treat toxins, but also enhance the potency of other herbs. However, this is the only recorded evidence historians have found of licorice being used that way. I'll be making homemade throat soothers. First, take your pre-made jelly and cut it into cubes. Now, many licorice products that are made actually do not contain the plant, but instead anise oil. Then put the cubes into your molds. Next, pour hot water over the cubes. When licorice is mixed with other chemicals and plants, it can help improve digestive health. But when it is on its own, it helps with sore throats. And stir well until each cube has dissolved. Then add your licorice extract or oil. You must let the throat soothers harden overnight. Licorice actually is more dangerous than you think though. Some potential risks of digesting more than 5 grams a day can lead to high blood pressure, low potassium levels, heart issues, early delivery, miscarriage, nerve problems, worsening kidney disease, erectile dysfunction, and lower testosterone. The next day, you can pull them out of the fridge and eat them. Rosary pea. Rosary pea is actually a poisonous plant, though it is still used in medicine. The plant is native to Asia and Australia and can become fatal to adults and children. Now, the way the toxin works is it contains 2 potent substrains termed A and B. The B chain enters the cell by bonding to a certain transport protein. Once inside the cell, the A chain activates, preventing protein synthesis, resulting in death. The symptoms of the poisoning include nausea, vomiting, convulsions, liver failure, and death, usually after several days. Now, for the medical use of a rosary pea, it was used as an aphrodisiac, which is a substance to increase sexual desires. However, we don't particularly make aphrodisiacs anymore. It was also used to make teas for fevers, coughs, and colds in India. It was used as a substitute for licorice. This is mostly using its leaves instead of its seeds, which are the poisonous part of the plant. Currently, in the modern day, we do not use this plant for anything medical. Deadly nightshade. Deadly nightshade is another poisonous plant that was used in medicine. This plant is native to Europe and Western Asia. It has also been grown in parts of North America, Canada, and North Africa. This plant has originally been used as an anesthesiac as well as a cosmetic medicine. It was used to dilate pupils as it was seen as beautiful. However, the dilated pupils is actually a symptom of the poisoning. Other symptoms include blurred vision, dried mouth, rapid heartbeat, loss of balance, staggering headaches, confusion, hallucinations, delirium, convulsions, and death. It was used as an anesthesiac in medieval times. However, it is still used in modern medicines for sedatives. Deadly nightshade also has a very dark history of being used as a poison by women. Back in the day, it was used as an easy way to get rid of one's husband. Now, the toxicity of this plant varies depending on which part you eat. The root generally contains the highest concentration of the poison, followed by the leaves, stalk, flowers, and berries. Even small amounts can be fatal, and children are viewed to be particularly vulnerable. Chamomile. The chamomile flower belongs to the daisy and sunflower family. While it's not actually used within modern medicine, it's commonly thought to be a good cure for different things, and has been used as such throughout history. For chamomile, I am making a skin cream. First, you need to grind up some chamomile flowers. I am using dried as it's easier. The flower has been used not only for relaxation, but people have believed it to help colds, fever, gum inflammation, sore throats, acid reflux, diarrhea, heartburn, stomach ulcers, even minor first-degree burns and acne. Try to make sure that there's no large pieces. Next, move everything into a mixing bowl. The recipe I'm following asks for yogurt and honey to mix together until a paste. Surprisingly, the plant has a lot of side effects, these being drowsiness, nausea, vomiting, allergic reaction, trouble breathing, and results of asthma, red rashes, swelling your throat and lips, and mild blood thinning. Now, these side effects are generalized side effects. It's very unlikely you will experience anything if you are simply enjoying a chamomile tea. Then, apply the paste. Wait 5 minutes and then wash it off your skin. Chamomile does help soothe your body, and it's even suggested that you do not drink chamomile tea before driving. The risks mostly react if you have an allergy or a medication in your system, such as a sedative, antidepressants, and anti-seizure medication, as it will react negatively to these, though it still hasn't been fully studied. Tree bark. Final plant I will be talking about, tree bark. It has been discovered to have been used even into the Stone Age, where it was most likely chewed on. The most noted down piece of evidence we have for the use of tree bark is ancient Egyptians, using willow bark for its pain relief. Traditional Chinese medicine also recognized the importance of tree bark and incorporates them into numerous treatments. For wood, I have decided to make a wood tea. For wood tea, it is best to follow the instructions from the tea that you have bought. Step 1 is to add the wood to a cup. Now, tree bark does have some good properties in medicine. Most tree bark contains antimicrobial components that inhibit growth of bacteria and fungi. Then, pour hot water into it. Certain bark possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Some tree bark has even been found to help treating headaches and muscle pain. Willow bark has even become an ingredient in modern-day aspirin. Then let it set for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, take all the wood out of the cup to make sure you do not drink any, and enjoy. However, you should always be careful. Tree bark can cause a lot of issues. Some issues of eating tree bark is poisoning of some certain contained toxic compounds, gastro disease, allergic reactions, and organ damage. All throughout history, we have used plants. In history, plants have been used in medicine and are still used. We have evolved our uses for them as we have grown. We will always use plants in medicine, and researching more will see what they can help